Hey folks, Tom over here at Weingartz, your 20-year service manager. Today we're going to be doing the at-home maintenance on this Exmark radius. So today, even though we are doing just your basic maintenance, we do want to let our customers know that we are able to do numerous other repairs on the road. The very nice thing about us doing the at-home stuff is, one, you don't have to be home to do it, and two, you don't have to give up your machine in order for us to do the repairs. We come out to the house, we repair it. If we do find other repairs, we can leave the machine, we can come back and reschedule for you. So today, come with me and let's walk you through on doing the maintenance on this Exmark radius. So one of the ways we were able to improve our customer experience is now we're able to send text messages to the customer before the technician gets there and also once the job's completed. So as our technician is going to pull up to your house, he's going to grab your machine, he's going to bring it around to the truck, and he's going to do a visual inspection and also clean off any grass or debris so we can get a better look at it. So while our technician's here, we're going to check out all the safety features on your machine. We're going to check all the wraps, roll bars, the discharge chutes, and any other safety features that might be on the machine. So once the technician has done his first initial inspection, he's going to pull the machine up on the truck. We're going to go ahead and start with the oil change. So while the machine's already been running while I tested it, oil's nice and hot, it's going to get it in there. He's going to pull out the drain plug and the oil filter, and then he's going to install the new oil and new oil filter. With that, on the new oil filter, we are going to put the date and the hours that we did the oil change. As part of the annual maintenance, we're also going to come out and replace the air filter. Take the old one out, we're going to inspect for any dirt, debris, clean anything out, and put the new one in. We're also going to replace your spark plugs. With the new plugs, the technician is going to check the gap, put the new ones in. A vital part of operation in that engine is keeping it cool. As you can see with my technician right now, is cleaning the cooling fins and the air intake on that engine. This is an air-cooled engine. In order to keep it running properly, we got to get all the debris out. So proper fuel flow is critical to that engine running correctly. As you can see right now, my technician is replacing the fuel filter, which should be done at least once a year. So making sure your machine starts and operates properly, the technician is going to go through and do a series of tests on your battery. We're going to do a load test, and we're also going to clean your terminals and also do a terminal protector to prevent corrosion in the future. Once the annual maintenance has been performed on the engine, we're going to restart the engine and we're going to check the engine RPMs. We're going to sharpen the blades on the mower. So with that, we're going to check to make sure your blades aren't bent. We're going to check to make sure that the airfoil isn't ready to come off. And he's also going to scrape the deck to make sure we got proper ventilation underneath the deck. Now the technician is going to go through and check out your belts, make sure everything's in great shape. We're going to check your spindles and your idler pulleys. So key with any maintenance is going to be lubrication. Technician is going to go through and grease any bearings and any crucial pivot points. Now the technician is going to check the hydro fluid level. It is proper to check the hydro fluid level when the machine is cold. There is a level on the bottom of the tank that says full when cold. Technician is checking that now. For proper operation and movement of the cables, the technician now going to lubricate the cables. Now we're going to check proper tire pressure. We're going to go by the manufacturer's recommendation on the sidewall of the tire. Once all maintenance has been performed, the technician is going to pull the machine off the truck. We're going to double check the engine oil level, and we're going to check proper operation of the rest of the machine. So what we found from our years of doing the at-home maintenance is the relationships that we're able to build with the customers. Well, my technicians have found if they come out and the machine needs more than what we originally thought it was going to, they're able to show the customer, explain that, and build that trust with the customer. And that's the Weingartz way. So after our repair is completed, we do send out surveys to our customers, and we consistently get 5-star reviews. Customers just rant and raving about our technicians and the service they've received. It has been an absolutely phenomenal response. Thank you. All right, folks, we just completed our at-home maintenance on our Exmark radius. Just so you know, we do service other brands and other equipment. So we are able to service from your handheld equipment, your blowers, your snow blowers, and your lawnmowers. We service all year long. Call us at Weingartz, we'll get you taken care of.
Weingartz, everything.